first and foremost, be ready to learn and learn a lot. So if you thought that your studies end when you finish university, and I hope that it's not a disappointment for you, but you will continue to learn, and the learning curve is just going up now, and you really there is many new things that you will that you will learn. By the way, not only because you're new to the industry, but simply because you're new to this project that you just landed. So if it's your first job or even your second or third job, or actually at any point in your career, whenever you land a new project, it's going to be a new type of product, a new group of people, a new company, a different stage of development. Okay, so what I mentioned before, clinical development can take, well, 10, 15 years sometimes. So each stage of the way looks different. So you almost never land the same situation twice. So you must be ready for a career that is very intensive in learning all the time. Now, as I said before, I think that for me at least, the most helpful thing is to try and see the big picture. Okay, so even if I'm joining a project as just a tiny ant, moving my piece of sand from one place to the other, investing the first few days, weeks to sort of see the big picture, talk with people from other departments, read about the company, read about the drug, read literature, just be as wholesome as possible with your understanding, not only of your specific focus area. That would make you, first of all, much more passionate about what you do, so you understand what your tiny piece means with this big puzzle. And it's going to help also make you a much more valuable team member, because we're all smart people and we can always contribute to other people with our unique perspective. So I think that seeing the big picture and at least trying is very helpful. Now a bit more, let's say, focused advice maybe would be to look up some newsletters in the field. There's a lot of content and material, that speaks more generally about different aspects of our industry. So make yourself a habit of reading those newsletters. Of course, maybe I should have said it first, but there are the regulatory guidelines. So the regulatory authorities that are involved in this entire story, they publish huge amounts of content to basically teach the industry what they're expecting of them.